So I have to be honest with you. When I saw this headline, it actually just stopped me in my tracks because I was like, wow, FTX is potentially making some big moves. And there's more to this than you may think. Look at this. Sam Bankman-Fried's, if I'm saying that name right, FTX is reportedly planning to acquire Robinhood. Now, FTX is a I mean, obviously it's a new centralized exchange, newish. I mean, it's come on and it's hit the ground running, and has just caught the crypto world by storm. And it's a very well run exchange, but it's really interesting to see this. Okay, so according to Bloomberg, FTX is reportedly thinking of striking a deal to acquire Robinhood. Have had a significant impact on the share of price of Robinhood. It's risen by over almost 18%. Sam Bankman's crypto exchange is exploring different options for the possibility of acquiring the American financial services company Robinhood. But this is interesting because Robinhood has not done a very good job at all of getting into crypto, but yet they have done a very good job and have an insanely great brand in stock trading, right? And they've got millions and millions of people that have Robinhood accounts. I think that this would be vastly applauded by the the holders, the users inside of the Robinhood app system, to be a fantastic bridge into crypto. All right, and it's a good deal for FTX because it gets them access to all the people who have these traditional finance accounts, these traditional stock trading accounts. So it's really a pretty good marriage, and that's what I'm like, wow, I hadn't really thought of that. That was like a pretty amazing thing if this deal could get potentially done. Okay, FTX reporting considering a deal to acquire Robinhood. We got to give Watcher Guru, Watcher News credit. They have some really great, fantastic content, and this one was one like, man, this one kind of grabbed my attention. Now, there's been no final decision made by this. We don't even know if this is even really true. Okay, so but look at this. According to the SEC, Sam has acquired a 7.6% stake in Robinhood. At the time of the purchase, the deal was worth more than $648 million. Okay, all right. So he has invested in them. FTX again has done a very good job of setting itself up as a strong rival against Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com. So it's really interesting. Okay. So they are one of the largest exchanges globally. They provide spot trading, derivative trading as well. And I just see this as a really good marriage. What's your opinion? Drop in the comments below. But this one got my attention because this is a wow kind of factor here. All right. So I want to hear from you. I think this one could be cool if this could happen. So drop in the comments below. Thanks for giving me a few minutes. I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.